Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle. So for me, it looks like it's on the second page right over here. Once you find it, you can either tap on it to start recording right away, or you can hold it, and this will give you access to the settings. So we have things like video resolution, which is set to medium. I'll switch it to high. And additionally we have frame rate, so we have dynamic, which actually is also a good one. So this will use most of the time 60 frames, but when the screen isn't actually doing anything, it's gonna drop it down, which I don't exactly know how that would function with actual video recording, considering it's usually set to a static frame rate. But anyway, so once you went to the settings and customize them to your liking, you can also choose if you want to record microphone and system sounds. And from there, find the toggle once again, tap on it. When it asks for access to things like storage, microphones and so on, just give it access to it. So go, although I don't know what it needs access to dialer for. Apparently without the dialer access it can't record, which is kind of sketchy. I personally don't like it. So there we go, once you actually agree to all of them, you can start recording. So we got a quick guide on this, and from there we can tap on the circle right here and start recording. And whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. Apps as well, so if you open up some kind of apps, they will be recorded. And once you're done, interact with this overlay. Click on the red square, and this will save your recording to the gallery application, or photos as it's called right here. Once you open it up, you can see it right at the bottom. So there we go, this is a screen recording. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.